Hey guys, it's Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to talk about how to save cannon lids, how to use the lids you have that are good for pressure cannon, and when to use the other lids for water bath. Danny and I usually buy the ball silver lids. These are the ones that seem to do the best for whatever we use in pressure canning. Now all these lids are ball silver lids. Every one of them. Now this one is from 19, and you see it is starting in our humidity to get a little bit of stuff, rust on it. We have carrots, some of our sweet potatoes, our white ones from last year. 16, squash. We always have a lot of squash. These are the oldest squash I have, and still the silver lid's showing a touch, but 16, doing good. Ham and beans, salsa, even meats from 18 and still holding up. These meats are doing great. The wide mouth and the regular. With all the problems that everybody's having finding canning lids, I'm going to show you what Danny and I have done this year in order to have canning lids go further. Now I said we usually use the ball on everything. That's pressure canning. But water bath canning, you don't have to. And you see these don't have anything on the lid. These are tomatoes that I water bathed a couple of days ago. We ordered this sleeve from a company online. There is no writing on them. They seal really well in water bath canning. And I think it's about 10 or 12 dozen in here, maybe 12 dozen, I'm not sure the amount. But it's a lot cheaper to buy them in this sleeve than this box. So when I'm doing pressure canning, I use the ball silver lids. When I'm water bath canning, I use these cheaper lids for water bath canning, and anything that you put vacuum seal, whatever, use the cheaper lids. Now today I'm canning more tomatoes, and I'm going to show you something right quick. These are the new jars. I got them out. I'm fixing to wash them and wash the lids. But what I'm going to do, these are the ball silver ones that came with the jars. They are on the jars. This is what came with them. I'm going to take all of these and put them in my box, and then I'm going to take, because I'm doing tomatoes and I'm water bathing, and I'm going to get those silver lids that are cheaper, and I'm going to water bath with them and put my good ones up for when I pressure can. So I hope that makes a little bit of sense. Save these for your pressure canning. And use these anytime that you vacuum seal, or you just seal a jar, or if you're going to water bath can. That way you can find these in the sleeve online pretty easily, pretty cheaply. Buy them, rotate out, that kind of stuff. So this is how I make my good ball lids last longer. Hope this little tip helps you, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you guys.